మాయదారి మాయదారి అందమా ఉయ్యాలాటకి కసిదమా హొయ్య హొయ్య హొయ్ మాటకారి బందమా మహామాయ చేయవద్దమా హొయ్య హొయ్య హొయ్. Saundarya was born in Mulabagilu, Kolar district on 18th July 1972 and brought up in Bengaluru. Her parents are K. Sachinarayana and Manjula. Her father was a Kannada film writer and producer. Saundarya discontinued her intermediate after her first year in Bangalore. On 27 April 2003, she married G.S. Raghu, a software engineer by profession. On 17th April 2004, Saundarya died in an aircraft along with her brother Amarnath in Bangalore. We miss you.